Okay guys, check out this 2025 Toyota Tundra Limited with the TRD upgrade, about a $3,600 upgrade. This also has a 3-inch lift, came straight from the dealer under factory warranty. Really hard to find, guys. Something that has a lift and under warranty. It usually voids all your warranties, but since it came from the factory, it's a $4,000 upgrade. Limited. All-weather floor mats. Got the running boards. This is a clean title, clean Carfax, never damaged. This thing's immaculate. I haven't found anything, no dents, scratches, nothing major on the interior. 23,871 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, heated steering wheel, power lift gate, power fold mirrors, blind spot monitors in them, smart key, .360 camera, locking diff. Not sure if these are wireless phone charging. This doesn't blink normally. This is just the refresh rate of the camera. What I do love about Tundra is it rolls down this back window, the whole back window. Pretty cool option. Obviously there your 4-wheel drive. I like kind of how they have all these compartments. Organizers. I drove this thing last night. Drives like a dream. Find any issues. Has the nice TRD side steps on there. So there's about 2 little nicks there. So it's got clear bra on all these edges. Little door guides that came stock, still on there, never been taken off. Pearl white color. Power goes up. Maybe a little something there, but I think that'll buff out. You know, here at Real Deal Auto, we like to show you everything that we can see. Be as transparent as possible, not like your other guys. You got to come in there and see it and see the problems yourself. We do these walk around videos. So, bunch of storage under here. Little scratches there on that door, but super clean for what it is. It is a used vehicle, 25K. So the JBL sound system, see there's the TRD 3-inch suspension lift, the TRD off-road package with all the upgrades, all kinds of stuff there. You know, heated steering wheel's an upgrade, premium. Weatherliner skid plate. So Almost $70,000 sticker. It looks like these all go in all your, in all the organizers here that will give them all little soft things. So looks like all those are in here. All your manuals. The white with all the black looks really good. Plate. Tires. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.